You want to know how you can save your Google business profile from losing its ownership? So guys, it's very important, as anyone can externally ask Google to take access of your Google business profile. If anyone does so, you will receive an email in your email account associated with that Google business profile. And what you have to do, guys, you have to respond to that email. If you don't respond to that email in 7 days, that ownership will automatically transfer to that particular person. So you have to respond to that email, but you have to carefully respond to that email. If you respond in a wrong way, if you don't understand what to respond, in that case, guys, again you can lose ownership of your profile and you won't be able to regain that access. So you can take help of someone who is knowing about all these things, or you can actually ask someone else to read that email and accordingly click that button and reject that access request. Another way is, guys, when you lose your profile access is through suspension. For that, I have already discussed the do's and don'ts. So you must follow those do's and don'ts so that your profile is not suspended and you don't lose its access. I'll repeat it for you once again. You should not make changes to your business profiles. Primary things like category, business name, address, location, and mobile number again and again very frequently. Second is, guys, you should not keep keywords in your business profile name that can suspend it. Thirdly is, guys, you should not buy reviews, guys. You should not buy reviews because buying fake reviews can lead your profile to suspension. Fourth is, guys, you should not create multiple profiles for your business and the same location, because that can suspend all your profiles by Google, because Google can easily detect it. And if you want to grow your profile to a higher ranking level, you can use our app gbpgm. The link of that app I have mentioned in the description section, which will automate through its automation and AI features and help you grow your business profile manifold, saving lot of time and efforts of yours.